feel the pain when the pain comes? Walking through the rainstorm. Can you feel the pain when the pain comes? Walking through the rain when it rainstorms. I gotta use my head, gotta brainstorm. Cause if not, then I could just fail and I just can't, bruh. Haters, yeah, they just mad that we came up. Wait up, no, I can't, bruh. It's too late, bruh. Paper, that's what I'm chasing. Stay out my way, thug. Lanes, bruh. Try count me out. Now my name up. Everybody around me needs some, I just can't know why. Tell me if I was the fall, you lift me back to the sky. But I'd rather do it alone, yeah, I got too much pride. Who was there them cold nights with me right by my side? And shout out Spiffy, that's my brother, no, he ain't never left my side. And baby, please just hold me tight and promise you'll never ride. The pain won't never go away, so I cry from time to time. Smoking weed for my pain to keep the demons inside. Walking in and out the house with my life on the line. I'll never get that call when I picked up, you decline. I think, yeah, I'm going crazy, struggles been on my mind. I gotta watch the ones around me, I have to give me some time. I have to give me some time. I have to give me some time. I just be deep in my thoughts and shit like, damn. I have to give me some time. Can you feel the pain when the pain comes? Walking through the rain when it rainstorms. I gotta use my head, gotta brainstorm. Cause if not, then I could just fail and I just can't, bruh. Haters, yeah, they just mad that we came up. Wait up, no, I can't, bruh. It's too late, bruh. Paper, that's what I'm chasing. Stay out my way, thug. Lanes, bruh. Try count me out. Now my name up. And I told my girl I love you, baby. Yeah, that's the truth. When you go broke and I ain't got nothing, see you right next to you. I see it clear, you want for me when I gave my heart to you. Heart made it still, baby, but I know that I ain't bulletproof. Mama struggling, worried if I'ma die tonight. I know I made my move, I made a sacrifice. I wonder the way I'm moving, am I moving right? But I know I just gotta go and get it, just one goal in life. I told them niggas if they slide, we hit him back like twice. You gotta watch the ones around you, might turn into mice. I gotta watch the way I move and slip up, and that's my life. I won't give up on my mission, I know it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. I do it in my head and shit. Try to get in my bag and shit, but I know everything's gonna be alright when the pain comes. Just make it through the storm. Can you feel the pain when the pain comes? Walking through the rain when it rainstorms. I gotta use my head, gotta brainstorm. Cause if not, then I could just fail and I just can't, bruh. Haters, yeah, they just mad that we came up. Wait up, no, I can't, bruh. It's too late, bruh. Paper, that's what I'm chasing. Stay out my way, thug. Lanes, bruh. Try count me out. Now my name up. I just need to make it through the storm. I know everything's gonna be alright. Just hold me tight and promise you never change. Wait, 100 LRP.